Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a challenge video. I came up with this one idea. I thought about the idea. I'm like, wait, has somebody else done that? Looked it up and it looks like nobody has done it. So today, right now, we are going to do the start of the closed hand makeup challenge. Some of you may be thinking, what the hell does that mean? I'm gonna do my makeup with a complete closed hand. I'm gonna have no room for flexibility. It's gonna be a challenge because it's gonna be closed. And that's not gonna be easy. It'll be fun though. It'll be fun. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. Let the challenge begin. Okay, so first of all, I am hella stuffy because I just woke up. I woke up and I'm like, let's get this challenge going. Full energy. So I'm gonna do my entire makeup look in the same way that I would if I was using my fingers. So first off, I'm gonna start with my brows. Oh my god, this is so weird. How the hell? Okay. Hold on, I need to get close for this one. All right, ready? Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Oh, did you see me? I was just about to cheat and do this. But I have to do this. I literally forgot. Wow. Oh, we're going for thick look. Oh god. Oh my. This has not started on a good note. Oh, okay. This one's better. Okay, I have to flip this around. There we go. Okay, this one's not coming out too bad. Not too bad. Oh my god, by the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna have like claw marks on the inside of my... Oh my god, I already have them. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. These things are dangerous. This one's not too bad, guys. Okay, I don't like how rounded it is, but hopefully when I clean it up, it'll look better. Oh god. If I have nails like this, you can do this challenge too. Don't make excuses. Alrighty, let's get this going. You need this to clean up these brows, hopefully. Oh god, okay, not that bad. Not that bad. Let's see here. Do a little blending. Oh god, this one's gonna be weird. What in the hell? Oh hell no. Okay, we're doing some acrobatics up in here. Look at this. What in the hell? Whew, I'm getting sweaty. Not too bad. Not too bad. Look at this. Before and after. Doesn't look too bad. We're on to a good start. I hate this part right here. There's a song, right? Oh, O'Reilly. Auto park. What is wrong with me? Oh my god. So I'm gonna take the heart shaped tape. I'm gonna dab it all over my eye like this. So let's start off with priming the eye, why don't we? Part is not too bad. Dude, low key, my hand is cramping. Let's take the Omrizi palette and I'm gonna dip into New Yorker. Do a little and little. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, Miss Patchy the Pirate has made a debut appearance. No. Oh my god. How am I gonna put my lashes on? I should think this through. Ew! What? What? Oh no. Oh. No. Now, I'm scared. I'm gonna deepen it up by using some OG. What the? Oh my god, my brain is a scramble too. What if we like do a little focus on here and a little blending here? Ow, this hurts. Dead ass, this hurts. And my arm is getting sore. All right, that looks about wrong. Now I'm gonna go into 1988. Oof, that's a lot. And I'm gonna just, okay. I just noticed I was holding my brush in the weirdest way. What was I doing? This? Oh my god. Okay, this makes more sense. I didn't even notice that I was doing that. All right, this is much easier. Going for a nice smoky effect, huh? Ew. I literally feel like I'm coloring in a coloring book. Like just... Okay, hold on. This arm. Okay. What if we do a little... What if we do a little halo effect? Since this is looking gnarly anyway. All right, bring it in. Ew. Oh my god. Look at this. Ew. I'm gonna go back into OG. Not OG. And I'm gonna just blend everything together. Why don't we? Just blend it and blend it.
2 hours later.
And blend it. Now with the flat brush, I'm gonna go into Anastasia. This is such a beautiful shade. And I'm going to just pat it on in the middle. Let's do a little halo. Why am I incorporating everything I'm saying into a song? Now it's time to add mascara. Okay, ready? Ooh! I like that part. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, now let me think. How would I do this? I think I would just have to close my hand. Like I can't. How would that work? Okay, we are gonna use the House of Lashes Spellbound. What I'm saying is, if I get it and go like this, and then what? And then I just go like that, I guess. The application has to be closed hand. So I think we can make this work. Right now, I'm loving the brow. The brow is just looking spectacular, and then everything else is questionable. Little. 1, 2, and yeah, lashes. I'm sorry, lashes are an exception. That one you could have some flexibility on it, but just don't use your fingers. Kind of use your palm. Oh, boom. That was easy. All right, next up, primer. We're gonna go on to the face. All right, I'm gonna use a brush and just apply all over. Okay, now this is gonna be weird. So I'm gonna dip it in and I'm gonna do this. Oh God. Oh, how am I gonna get into there? What if I, ew, it's not even good. Ew, what a mess. Oh my God, hello pores. Time for some concealer. How am I gonna do this part? I really don't know. All right, ready? Oh God, oh no. It's getting messy. It's getting messy. There's gonna be more makeup on my hand than my actual face. Get some powder onto there. Some powder. I'm not even gonna go into cream bronzer because let's skip that. Let's go into powder and do a little 1, 2. A 1, 2. Talk about patchy. Oh my God, ew. Oh God, ew. Get a little contour up in here. Maybe a little bit up in here. Oh, time to contour my nose. Let's see. This isn't too bad. All right, and nose contour. Not too shabby. I'm gonna wipe everything off. What if we do a little 1, 2, a little, ew. That doesn't even look right. Hopefully I can fix this with some blush, please. How are we looking? I don't even know how I thought of this. Like, that's kind of how my brain works. I'll just come up with ideas out of nowhere. All right, now under the eye, let's go into 1988 and let's line her up. Oh no. I'm trying to blend this out using OG. What if I just like incorporate that mistake into my makeup? I'm like using my face to help me guide through the way. Time for some mascara. Da-dum, da-dum. We try to do a little 1, 2. So we're almost done with my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight using some Jaclyn Hill highlighter. Hopefully this will bring me back to life. Dun, dun, dun. Bring up inside. 1, 2. And to finish it all up, a little highlight. Oof. See, that looks fire. That is immaculate. That is a big word. And for lips, I'm gonna go into NYX Natural Lip Liner. Okay. And to finish it up, I'm gonna go into Partner in Crime by Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm gonna add this. That's a lot. Oh god. Spray my face. And that is it, you guys. That wraps up this makeup challenge. You guys, this was very challenging. I didn't think that it would be this hard. My arm is kind of cramping. Do with caution. How do we feel? How do we feel? Let's break it down. Let's break it down, okay? Brows, fire, okay? I'm gonna give myself that one. The eyeshadow was very questionable at first. Like, I really thought there was something going wrong. Patchy the Pirate, but it kind of came through. Kinda. Highlight, fire. Contour, Patchy the Pirate. Like no tomorrow. Lips need a little bit of help. And the lashes are fire too. It's just foundation, pores. But this was fun. This was definitely fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.